How to share a Snapchat video on WhatsApp. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to learn about sharing a Snapchat video on WhatsApp. So follow the simple steps. First of all, go ahead and open your Snapchat application, log into your account and save the Snapchat video and share. For that, you need to go to the Memories tab by swiping up from the camera screen or simply go ahead and tap on this media icon. Now find the video that you want to share. Tap and hold on to that. Then tap on the export icon in the bottom, that is between favorites, and hide. Once you do that, you'll get several options to copy the link, download, and you will see various different options for different social medias like WhatsApp, Instagram Direct, Messages, Messenger, and all. You need to go ahead and tap on the WhatsApp icon that is between downloads and Instagram Direct. Now go ahead and tap on this arrow icon in the bottom right corner of the screen and simply go to the chat where you want to share the video and then tap on this arrow icon again to send the video to that specific person and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. This is how you can go ahead and share the Snapchat video on WhatsApp. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.